Tasi!
Hello again, super learners. Today's letter is so special. It's the spectacular letter S. Say it with me. S, S, S. Here's uppercase S. Smooth and squiggly. And here's lowercase s. S is for snake. Slither, slither. Sunflower. Tall and bright. Star. Shining in the night. Let's trace the letter S together. Ready? Curve this way and curve that way. Like a windy road. That's uppercase S.
S is for snake, sliding slow. Sunflower smiling as they grow. Stars that sparkle way up high. S is for S, reach for the sky. S for S, reach for the sky.
Super job, friends! You've learned the spectacular letter S. Keep spotting S words all around you. And we'll see you next time for more alphabet fun.